This creamy and frosty cold caramel latte is a fantastic treat to enjoy on a warm day, and the drizzle of homemade caramel sauce is just heavenly. Let us first whip the cream. I need really thick cream. As I am whipping the cream, I'll be adding a little amount of icing sugar and continue whipping till the cream is really thick. Then I'll add the rest of the icing sugar and whip it till I get stiff peaks. I'll be filling up this cream in a piping bag fitted with a nozzle. Then in a large serving glass, I'll be adding required amount of ice cubes. And I need very frothy milk, so I'll be using a French press. This is one way I prepare frothed milk. The other way is also very simple. I'll be using a jar with a lid in which I'll be taking the required amount of milk. I've already added sugar to it and I'll be shaking it till I get very good amount of froth. Then let me pour the frothed milk over the ice cubes. I've already brewed the coffee decoction. I'll be adding that, followed by a little amount of homemade thick caramel sauce. We have already uploaded a video. Kindly refer the link on the top right for the recipe. Then the thick whipped cream goes over it. Relish this heavenly caramel latte while you are having a casual conversation with your friends or relaxing by the pool or just reading your favorite book. And above all, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting recipes. Thank you.